Mix Vaseline with cornstarch and you will look far younger than your age. If you are 60, you will look 20 years younger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love beauty tips, natural beauty tips that will help to make your skin looking so beautiful. Also turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Just like the title says, I'm going to tell you how to make use of Vaseline and cornstarch with just another ingredient, okay, mixing them together to achieve great results. So this works by getting rid of wrinkles, fine lines, making sure you're looking far younger than your age. So just continue watching because you gain so much from this video. So this treatment is mostly for all skin type, okay, all skin type. So the Vaseline, actually I will tell you when to apply it, the particular skin that will need to apply Vaseline, and also a substitute for Vaseline in case you have oily skin. Just continue watching. The first thing you have to do is to get a mixing bowl. This is a bowl to use to mix all the ingredients to apply on your skin. So you have to make sure the bowl is very clean, of course. So the first ingredient here is coffee. Yes, coffee is very good for the skin. It's not only for making the tea. Use any brand of coffee, any brand. So coffee contains powerful antioxidants that helps so well to keep your skin looking so beautiful. It helps to exfoliate your skin. It helps to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. So this is going to keep your skin looking plump and younger. So adding it into this treatment will do a great job. Another ingredient you have to add is this cornstarch, like the title says, okay. So cornstarch is actually very good when it comes to tightening the skin. Like, you know, it helps to get rid of those sagginess, making your skin to lift naturally and making it to look younger. So get cornstarch or corn flour. If you do not have cornstarch, you can make use of any other flour like flour that can tighten your skin and add the same purpose. So make use of either rice powder in place of cornstarch. And also if you have a dry skin, this will help to absorb so much oil from your skin and keeping your skin looking so flawless and smooth. So before telling you how to make use of the other ingredients, the first thing you have to do is to measure cornstarch. Corn flour or cornstarch, measure 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the bowl. Then you have to add coffee. 1 tablespoon of coffee is enough. Just add it into the cornstarch. Of course, you will surely need oil in this treatment, and oil that will help so well to fight signs of aging. Not just any oil. Almond oil is that oil that contains vitamin E, and vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps so well to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. It helps to smoothen the skin, moisturize the skin, and keeping your skin looking flawless and younger. So adding this almond oil will do a good job for you. You have to add half tablespoon if you have oily skin. You have to add 1 full tablespoon if you have dry skin. For sensitive skin, just go ahead and add it half tablespoon. Add it into the treatment and add water or rose water. So when you want to add rose water or water, ordinary water, be adding it little by little and be mixing the 3 ingredients together. Just little by little. Why I should add it little by little is so that the treatment will not be watery. You don't need it to be so watery. So be adding it little and little until it forms a thick paste. So after that, then you have to wash your face thoroughly. Okay, clean up of makeup, all this. Then you have to apply this treatment, you know, all over your skin, on your neck, anywhere you want to treat to look younger. You can naturally apply this treatment on your hands to plump it, get rid of dryness, signs of aging like wrinkles and the rest. So this treatment will give you instant results. You will notice instant results. The first thing you will notice is the smoothness of your skin. Your skin will look plump, flawless. It will look very clear. That is to show you that it's working. So with consistent use of this treatment, you will achieve great results. Leave this treatment on your skin for 15-20 minutes. After that, use a lukewarm water to wash it off and you see instant results. So like I said earlier, with consistent use, you will notice that those wrinkles will be fading away gradually until you have no wrinkles anymore. Go ahead and apply this treatment. You see what I'm saying. Like, you will notice a great result from your skin. So that coffee in it will also help to get rid of eye wrinkles, get rid of puffy eyes, and also helping to get rid of bloating. facial bloating. So it's time to show you when to apply Vaseline. After washing that treatment off, go ahead and apply Vaseline, just a little Vaseline. Okay, just apply it on your skin. Apply it. This is for those that have dry skin only. If you have an oily skin, please go ahead and apply just a light moisturizer, not Vaseline. If you have a dry skin, apply it to keep your skin well moisturized and looking so beautiful. Apply it only at night. Wash it off before bed. Okay, just apply a moisturizer and go back to sleep. Use this treatment 3 times weekly only. Okay, only 3 times weekly for best results. So make sure you exfoliate your skin. Check how to exfoliate your skin. Check my videos. But this treatment is actually very good to exfoliate your skin, but not that serious. So if you want to see other remedies that will exfoliate your skin greatly, check my other videos and you'll love it. Exfoliating your skin will make sure it gets rid of dead skin cells, keeping your skin looking clear and beautiful. When you make use of your skincare products like cream and lotions, soap, it will penetrate well and work better, and the result will give you instant glowing beautiful skin. So use this treatment to look younger than your age. You look 10 years 20 years younger. So store the remainder of this treatment, okay, in the refrigerator to use it next time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.